Hi everybody. This week in Math Success, we are going to continue solving quadratic equations. Last week, if you can remember, we introduced the square root property and also completing the square. This week on Monday, today, we're going to continue completing the square because we still have to work through some problems that have a leading coefficient in front of our x squared term. We didn't do that last week. We're also going to introduce the quadratic formula. And you guys should memorize it. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You guys should totally memorize that. On Wednesday, we're going to take a look at how to find the number of solutions you'll get for a quadratic and their type, whether they'll be real or complex. And then on Thursday, we're going to take a look at the 4 different ways of solving quadratics. I have those outlined in green: the zero product property, the square root property, completing the square, and the quadratic formula. We're going to put them all together. We're going to look at when you can use each method for solving a quadratic. And then we're going to work through some problems where we actually aren't told how to solve it. We have to choose a method. So we're going to work through some problems. We're going to choose one of these 4 methods to solve, and then we're going to go ahead and solve. So that's our week in Math Success 1.